4818 North Valley Terrace, Pine Ridge Estates Equestrian Community, Beverly Hills, Florida. Welcome to your new home. So glad you could make it out today. This is a spectacular 4,500 square foot home that has 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and 2 half baths, the pool and the waterfall spa that you see in front of you there. So feel free to wander around. Let me know any questions that you have. To your right is the office setup. Now this could also transform well into a mother-in-law suite. This office was designed uniquely to have a waiting area with an exterior door. So this door here goes to the walkway outside that walks all the way around to the driveway. So if you have a home business and you have customers come to your house, this is an ideal setup. Or, like I said, if it's a mother-in-law need, this would be something that could suffice. You've got a half bath for your customers, or that could certainly be expanded to a full bathroom for a mother-in-law setup. On down the hall to the right, we have the master suite. Lots of storage and closets, you'll notice. Many storage closets here. Beautiful hardwood floors, high ceilings. This one's got a tray ceiling in the master. We've got a closet, a walk-in closet here. And then we have another walk-in closet and a standard closet in the hall going to the ensuite. Nice jacuzzi tub, nice walk-in shower. And a linen closet. And this bedroom, the master bedroom, has a door out to the pool area. This is your formal living room with a fireplace, gas fireplace. Also formal dining room. And the furnishings that you see here can stay. So if you are looking for a furnished home, the seller is willing to include the furnishings or sell items separately if you have certain items that you want. This is the informal great room that is open from the kitchen. And this beautiful kitchen. There's a lot of things I like to show in this kitchen. One of the things is the cabinet front dishwasher. Also, the cabinet front refrigerator. There's a nook underneath for your microwave. There are pull-outs galore in this kitchen. The spice racks on the sides here, absolutely wonderful, right next to your gas cooktop, and it's vented as well. And then of course you have a nice large sink basin and a pass-through to the pool area. So very convenient for entertaining. And we have an awesome butler pantry here. Lots and lots of additional cabinets and storage. So we have a eat-in nook in addition to the formal dining, and laundry room, and it has a door, a closet, and also a door out to the garage. So this house has multiple access points to the garage. This is the guest wing of the house. This would make a great game room if you're looking for one. Hopefully you're noticing the surround sound. We have some music playing, This could also just be a den for, you know, relaxing and watching TV, nice views of the pool. And then we have the guest hall. This is your pool bath. It is a half bathroom. This is the full bathroom for the other 2 bedrooms. It is a tub shower combo. Guest bedroom number 1, walk-in closet, still the nice wood flooring. And guest bedroom number 2, also a walk-in closet. This one has a great view of the 3-stall horse barn. And then we also have the bonus area. There's 350 square feet of bonus room in the attic. I'm going to take you up there. This space is also heated and cooled, so it could be finished, or it could just be used unfinished for storage. Lots of things you could do with this space. Certainly could be another bedroom. If you need an extra bedroom, really nice area. Another closet there for storage. So 4,500 square feet of living plus a 350 square foot bonus attic room. And you have a 3-stall horse barn with tack and feed room, total of 5.5 acres, which is 2 separate lots to make up that space. And so 2.75, 2.75, if you wanted to sell off one of the lots, you certainly could. And you have the pool, the waterfall spa, and it's listed for $649,000. Here is the pool area. This is a heated pool. We have a full summer kitchen, lots of deck space, nice pavers, outdoor shower, and this overlooks horse pastures. Go ahead and walk out to the barn. There is a well for all of the irrigation, including the irrigation to the horse pastures. The pastures have the walk-through openings, which are quite convenient. They have the automatic waters that are also run from the well. So you're not paying city water for your outdoor water usage. This is our 3-stall horse barn. We have cross ties. We've got a space to wash the horses and groom the horses. 3 identical stalls, very nice and roomy. This is the tack room, tack and feed room, plenty of space here. And the stalls all have aisleway doors as well as back doors that open up to the pastures. This way you can have a nice system of bringing the horses in and out very conveniently. You can see the well there. We've got a shed for additional storage. We've got a water softener on the side of the house here. 2 air conditioning units, since this is a very large house. One is just a few years old, 2016. The other's a little bit older than that. We have tankless water heaters, 2 of them as well. 3-car garage. And I just want you to see these pasture areas over here. So again, 5.5 acres, 2 lots, and I have surveys. If you'd like to see those, I can send those to you. Are you familiar with this community, Pine Ridge Estates? So Pine Ridge Estates is our unique equestrian and golf community in Beverly Hills, Florida, Citrus County. Many of the properties here are deeded for horses to be kept on site. We have a community center that has riding rings and I believe it's 28 stall block horse barn for co-op boarding and lots of pastures. There's over 28 miles of horseback riding trails that go throughout the community. This house is just across the street from one of the trails. So it's a really neat community for nature lovers and horse enthusiasts. The clubhouse also has a pool table, or pool tables. We have an RC flying field. We have tennis courts. We have a lot of amenities. So beautiful property. Hopefully you'll be making an offer on this one. Let me know if there's any other information you need. I'm your Realtor on Demand, 352-476-3303.